staying at Dell Pines Campground. The sites are large and shaded. It's Saturday morning and the campground's really filling up. We're down there on the left on a nice pull-through site with the bathhouse behind us.
Drive in, mini golf, pickleball. Nice pool. Check-in and store. I don't know if these buckets are a disc golf. It's a little course all the way around. Stranded basketball hoop. We played horseshoes last night. Shuffleboard.
We drove about 15 minutes south to Devil's Lake State Park, where we'll be hiking the East Bluff Trail. It's a paved trail with stone steps that goes through the woods. It also runs along the lake, and you pass several rock formations along the way. It's 8 o'clock Friday morning, and we have the trail mostly to ourselves, only passing a few other hikers. We did not see the marker for this rock formation, but I believe it is Elephant Rock. There is varying landscapes as we pass through woods, grassland mixed with trees at the top, and also areas of wildflowers.
Balanced rock off through the trees. We had to hike down pretty far, way up there somewhere, to get to it. I'm standing next to Balanced Rock.
The rock along the bluffs is quartzite. Quartzite is sandstone that has gone through metamorphosis. This occurred as tectonic plates collided, pushing the crust up to form the bluffs. This view really shows the steps we had to climb down to see Balanced Rock. Now we need to go back up all of them. This is Devil's Doorway. It was a much shorter hike down than Balanced Rock. Doesn't look like there's much holding this one up.
Ivy waiting for Al. Al went down to see Devil's Gate. We didn't bring Ivy down on this one. We think she's had enough.
Ivy cooling off at the base of the trail as we are finishing our hike. After our morning hike, we headed 20 minutes north of our campground and took an Upper Dells boat tour. The tour takes place on the Wisconsin River and shows many rock formations that formed when a glacial dam broke, releasing torrents of water through the soft sandstone, forming these magnificent structures. This is Witch's Gulf, a stop on the boat tour where you can disembark and take the boardwalk through the ravine. Wind and water carve this gulch through the soft sandstone. The boardwalk takes you to a concession stand on the other side. It's Friday and the tour boat was full. Luckily we had a seat on the upper deck. The second stop on the boat tour was of Standing Rock. This iconic rock formation was made famous by H. Bennett's photo in 1886. The photo showed his son jumping over the chasm. The boardwalk circles around to another concession stand, and you pass through this cave on the way back down to the boat. After the boat tour, we went to the nearby Riverwalk pub, which has some really neat construction. We sat out on the deck, which overlooks the river. It's a very nice area. Sunday, we went back to Devil's Lake State Park to hike the Tumbled Rocks trail. The trail follows along Spirit Lake, and as the name suggests, there's lots of tumbled rocks. The Tumbled Rocks trail led to the West Bluff Trail, which headed up and over the Tumbled Rocks.
Stairway up. Still climbing. Ooh, nice view from the top.
There's a nice view and there are a couple hawks flying around. This is the trail down. When we get back, we'll need to pack up and leave. So that's it for this post. See you next time.